If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken adobo. You're going to need some chicken. Now dark meat is the best for adobo. Garlic. Whole peppercorns. Soy sauce. White vinegar. And bay leaves. Let's start with the chicken. We're pretty much just combining all of the ingredients here. Then add the garlic, peppercorns, bay leaves, and the soy sauce. Give it a mix, then turn your heat to high. When it starts to boil, add the vinegar and don't mix it for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to reduce the heat to medium. We're not adding water. If you wait like 10-15 minutes, you'll start to see this full of liquid from the meat. I guess it's true what they say, that they inject water to make them bigger. Not sure if the same thing happens to chicken in the Philippines. I haven't tried cooking this there yet. If you Google this recipe, you will discover so many different versions of this dish. But do you want to know the secret to making really good authentic Filipino adobo? It's actually in the soy sauce and vinegar. If you want to make it taste like Filipino adobo, then you have to use Filipino soy sauce and vinegar. That's it. Now look in the description and I'll tell you which brand is good. By the way, if you noticed, I didn't add sugar. Authentic adobo doesn't need sugar, but it's up to you if you'd like to add it. Now here's our authentic chicken adobo. Other cooks try to make it complicated, but it's a really simple dish, and it's so easy to make. Doesn't it look delicious? Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.